What we have here is what we call our Big V tongue and groove treated. Our Big V tongue and groove treated gets its name because of the tongue and groove shape itself. What you'll notice here is a much more pronounced and V-like shape for the tongue that then receives into the matching profile on the other side, another big V. The beauty of this product is the tongue and groove connection. When put together, they fit like a glove. Compare that to regular T&G, where the two pieces require a little bit of work and effort to push them together. What we found was in the field, regular pressure treated tongue and groove was warping or twisting. And so when the two pieces needed to come together in, say, a long 16-foot length, contractors and carpenters in the field were having to beat the tongue and groove together, making it very, very difficult to slide the two pieces together. Conversely, today, with the tongue and groove Big V, the two pieces slide together very easy and there's almost zero waste. We stock the Big V tongue and groove in both 2x6 and 2x8, and we have 12s, 16s, and 20 footers available. It's a small innovation that goes a long way, and contractors and installers in the field absolutely love it.